So you've got yellow leaves on your citrus tree. You can see we've got quite a few in here. And we come over and we have a different tree here with different types of problems. Let's diagnose a few of these quickly. If you have leaves like these and they're dark green veins, but the leaves themselves are yellow, this is a micronutrient issue. So what we're gonna do for that is just throw some Epson salt in here. This tends to fix most issues. Magnesium typically is the shortage that we have in most citrus. I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of iron and a little bit of zinc because these are also micronutrients that we end up needing for citrus. So again, I don't take a lot. You just sprinkle a little bit in. And again, a few pellets of this, not a whole lot. And again, I put about double of that. Maybe a few more. But in general, it's best to put just a little bit in and then come back, water, and check. Everything in pots drains out, so all the nutrients are draining out. These are young leaves, which is how I know it's a micronutrient issue. Young leaves that have the dark green veins and the yellowing. Older leaves, again, are dark green or healthy, so it's definitely not a nitrogen problem. Nitrogen would be that the older leaves and the newer leaves, but a lot of times just the older leaves are really struggling and getting pale yellow. Now this tree has other issues. So this tree, I was gonna tell you, has been overstressed. I purchased it, it was loaded with fruit. The fruit was rotting on there from the nursery. So we picked everything off. And it's kind of been struggling as a whole. But you can see like I have yellowing of all of the leaves, the newer ones, even the older ones back here yellowing. And of course we get down to the pot and you can see something is going on here. It's not draining and it's super wet and mucky and it stinks. So I'm gonna have to repot this and fix this with some sand or check the bottom because the bottom might not have holes in it. Let's tip it over. Oh, and look at that. The holes are not, there's no hole in the bottom and it's just hemorrhaging water here. So let's bring this tree out. I use all the same dirt, so we shouldn't have any issues. And we'll go to the deepest spot here on the pot and put a few holes. You can see water's just pouring out. We'll let that drain here, so we'll tip this back up. But you can see again, yellowing across even the older leaves. This is caused by root rot. The tree essentially is drowning.